Yeah, well, we're back again. I lost the video. It's trying to show you the chalk mark. So, but you can see it there. I knew I shouldn't have done it, but the chalk mark is there. It's very difficult to. There. You just see it on the bed now. So it's moved. So I'm going to try to load this back up onto the thing. You're going to have to watch this on 2 videos, I'm afraid. But we're back. That's the thing. And now, oh dear. It's going to be a short one, this. So it's moved, so now we can continue. But I'm going to, instead of turning it by hand now, I'm going to use the switch gear on the machine, and you'll see the tailstock's loose and it will draw it in. See? Okay. Now, you want to come out. You need to have a reverse on your lathe for this. When it pushes it out, there you go. Now we've got to that stage, I want to put the plug top in. So I'll just lock that. Clean the tap. And put the plug top in. It's very difficult to see what's happening because I've got the coolant pumps mount in the way. I'm only trying to get you to see a better view of this, folks, you know. But it is not easy when you're trying to do something and you've got to try to view what you're doing through the camera, as it were. Okay, so I put the plug tap in. Same procedure here. I'm going to slide this. That's tight there on the quill. Sliding it down into position. Okay. And then you what you can do is switch it on. And it's pulling the tailstock down on its own. Can you see it's pulling it? So that's pulled it through. Now I'm going to put it in reverse and you'll see the tailstock go back on its own. Oh, automatic tailstock. So it's pushing the tap back. And there you are. Huh. Gremlins and all. Anyway. I didn't want to do a complete new video of the whole thing. But that's what it is. So I'll slide that to one side. Oh, you'll notice that on the on this edge here, it's a little bit sharp, so I can this is another use for a parting tool you can do. I'm going to just take the edge off. I'm going to put a little bevel on that collar, on that workpiece there. So let's see what we can do. Careful not to run into the chuck. So let's put a little bevel on there. It's just another just another little hint of the versatility of tools if you just think about it. So that's that. We've cut the thread on there. That's 8mm. I'm going to take this out of the chuck. Oh, come on. And you see we've gone all the way through, I think. There you go. So, will it go on the 8mm screw? I hear you ask. Well, it should do. So, I'm going to show you if I can just... just out of view a bit. Difficult to see with all this smoke now. Anyway, I've got something set up here. I've just got to move this tooling. Out of the way. I'll just bring it up here. Yeah, we're coming into focus now. You can see the screw at the end of the cross slide, and that is a 8mm screw. So there we go. Put it on. There you are. And the other way as well. Oops, no, the screw's coming loose. There you go. So, not a bit disjointed again, but never mind. It's how it happens. So I didn't want to do the whole video again. But in the meantime, what I told you about, say, if you want a lower speed going into your back gear, remember that. So, what you could do, in fact, is to check this out, because it tells you about the back gear and how to lubricating thing. Okay, have a happy July 4th celebrations if you can, and do the best if you can't, sort of thing. You've got to make do these days. And to everybody, thanks for watching. Sometimes it's hard to give us a like when it goes wrong. But anyway, I'd be happy for any comments, and subscribe if you will. I really need a few more subscribers. Didn't get any at all last week. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, see you next time. Bye.